Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Lance Havana Classic 150 motor scooter. This bike is freeway legal. It's got room for a passenger. Beautiful condition, only 4,200 miles on this beautiful matte white finish Havana Classic. Automatic transmission, fuel injection, and it's got a beautiful GV top case that you can put your stuff in, which is easily removable to carry around with you. Come by, check it out, make your motor scooter dreams come true for just $17.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.